Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Right now I'm doing an ombre nail. I'm gonna just show you the process. So right now I'm gonna pick up my nude acrylic. I'm gonna pick up one bead and I'm gonna build my apex. So what I'm doing is going very close to the cuticle and I'm going over the bead very gently and flattening it at the end of the bead, if that makes sense, to build my apex. So I'm going to repeat that process until I feel, it's to my standards or whatever. And I really like this new pink. I got it from Amazon. It's a brand called Saviland. Shout out to Saviland. I have their clear, their new pink, their nude, they're white, and their acrylic is very, very easy. It's like 30 grams for like 99. I don't know if that's a deal or not. I'm just starting off, but that is just wonderful for me because it's easy to work with. I went to my local nail supply and I got this brush. It's a size 16. It was about $40. And I got three acrylics. And once the monomer hit the acrylic, it dried so fast. It was just crazy. I was just so disappointed. So right now, I'm going to go in with my white, and I'm going to start at the tip of the nail, and I'm going to flatten it at the end of the bead, and then the rest of the acrylic left at the top of the bead, I'm going to feather it backwards, if that makes sense. So go at the tip, flatten it, and then go backwards. Make sure your side walls are nice and neat so you don't have to do that much e-filing. And I originally started this because I'm a beginner. I'm not licensed, nothing that my technique is just my technique. But I originally started this because, I always wanted to learn how to do nails, and I'm self-taught. I watched a lot of videos, and I really like it. So you never know, don't hold yourself back. If you want to do something positive, and idle mind is the devil's playground. You always want to, keep your mind, explore your talents. And I'm proud of myself for, even considering this. I'm saving money, and I'm having fun at the same time. So I'm just building my apex right now. I'm sorry I got all personal with you guys. I'm building my apex right now. And then I don't do the 1 2 3 B method. I really just, you know, see what I need and put it on my acrylic brush. Like, I really don't try to I can't do the ones. I'm not going to say I can't, but this is my method. Everybody has their own way. Going in with the white, going in at the tip, flatten it, and feathering it back. Feathering it back, feathering it back. That should be a song. Feathering it back, feathering it back. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And make sure your sides are clean. I really want to stress this. It's very, very important to make sure your side walls are nice and neat. You don't want to flood the cuticle with any, or flood under the nail with any acrylic. And then you're wasting a lot of time on filing. Trust me, I made that mistake. I've been doing this for like 2 months now. So I just watch videos every day and try to perfect my craft. I really like acrylics and long hair pretty nails. Just to name a few videos that really taught me, how to do my thing or guided me. So right now, I'm doing the pinky, and that is my favorite finger. It's just so cute, and it's just cute. I'm building my apex right now. I'm building my apex, and what I do is get a bead, and I flatten it at the cuticle, and I light gently with my brush go over the bead and flatten it at the end of the bead to create my apex. So you see me just going in as I should. I can't wait till I perfect this craft. Like, I'm like a Capricorn, so I'm a low-key perfectionist. So I have to perfect this. It's just like my main goal in life right now, to be like the best acrylic nail artist ever. And that should be your main goal in everything that you do. To be the best at it. Perfect it. Don't give up on your craft or what you like to do. So make sure you always clean your brush also. So I filed off camera. And right now I'm going in with my base coat. You want to do a very thin layer base coat so your gel can cure correctly. It's very important. You don't want your gel peeling and looking ratchet or nothing like that. We want these nails to be lasting for at least 3 to 4 weeks with the cut. And one step that I did forget that I noticed, I forgot to put like a thin layer of clear acrylic. I believe that like helps some way somehow. And so I'm going in with my top coat, very thin layer. I only use one layer top coat. Very thin layer. I start at the bottom of the nail and work my way up to the cuticle to get an even, top coat. I wanted to put gems, but I don't have a lot of fancy gems. Sometimes less is more, so whatever. Trying to figure out more styles to do with gems. I know it's like playing Tetris. That's what I heard. I can't even talk right now. So, yeah, I'm going to just apply one gem to each finger. Like I said, less is more. Just to put a little bling bling on it. And I think they're pretty cute. This is my first time. Well, not my first time doing ombre, but look at them. They're so cute. Oh my god. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.